Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is Love to Journey with Jackie. Today I will be using the Ninja air fryer, and it has 2 bins or baskets for cooking. I will be using both of these to make hot wings. Okay, in this model you got your crisper in the bottom and it comes out, and the heating element is in the top. So I'll have to flip the chicken wings periodically, probably every 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll be cooking them for about 20 minutes. Okay. These are the wings that I'll be using. We purchased these from Sam's. And the container has 6 pounds, and I'll be cooking about 2.5 pounds. They're already thawed out. I thawed them in the refrigerator overnight. Then I washed them and patted them dry with a paper towel and put them back in the refrigerator until I'm ready to season them. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'll be using to prepare the wings. Onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and a relative told me that if you sprinkle a little bit of baking powder on the wings, it will make the skin crispier. And of course, we'll add one of my favorites, garlic powder, and we'll brush them with peanut oil. I like to use peanut oil because it's light, doesn't have a heavy oiliness, and it can take extremely high temperatures without smoking. Or after they're done, I'll take half of them and toss them in this Great Value garlic Parmesan wing seasoning mix. And to that, I'm going to add some additional parsley flakes and also top it off with some grated Parmesan cheese. And for the other half, I'll leave them plain like I cooked them with these seasonings and make a dip for them. Okay, sometimes I take classic ranch dressing if I want blue cheese, and I'll just add some crumbled blue cheese to it. Or I'll take the blue cheese dressing and dip mix and add additional blue cheese. Today I'm going to use the classic ranch because the bottle is already open, and add the crumbled blue cheese to that.